Hey guys, Craft Bro here, back with another video, and today we'll be reviewing the credit card cardsharp pocket knife. So here you have to twist this tab and then pop it up, and then you fold it into its place, and it's a pretty good cutting edge. It could cut a lot of stuff, like this table. No, I'm kidding, it's made of glass. But if you go over here, take this for example, you could almost cut right through it. Okay, I'll be right back when I'm done. Okay, I just finished cutting that tip off. It took about 3 minutes, but yeah. It's a really cool credit card shaped pocket knife that you could fit in your wallet. When you're done, you just pop that out. Fold this back, switch the safety mechanism, then you have to lock it, and there you have it. See you guys in the next video.